Hey everyone, welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to read Google Search Console. I'm now inside my Google Search Console account, and this is the overview page or the welcoming page of this account. They show you a preview of your website performance with the search clicks. You also see the indexing status of your website with how many pages are not indexed and how many are indexed, and also the or the user experience of your website. What is important for me is the performance of my website. To have a full report, click on Full Report. The first filter is between web, images, video, and news, but since the majority of our website traffics are coming from the web section of Google, I don't touch this filter most of the time. Here you can go or you can filter with the date range. Here you can enable and disable some information to show in this graph. Usually what I scan with my eyes are the clicks and the average position. This is the graph of how many links I received in each day. For example, on this date, I received 10 clicks and my average position was 43. Below this graph, you can see many important information like the queries or the keywords that are sending traffic to your website. For example, this is my queries and this is how many links I received for each keyword, and this is the average position. If you want to have multiple or added information, simply enable the CTR or the total impressions and you will start seeing them here. Besides keywords, you can also see your pages. Let's say that you want to filter only information about this page. Click on it, and now all of this graph is about this page. As you can see, now it is added in this filter. During the last 3 months, this page I filtered received 31 clicks and the average position was 36. Let's delete this web page filter. I can also see the countries that my visitors are coming from is France, Switzerland, and Canada. And for devices, the majority comes from mobile, then desktop, then tablet. Things that you can improve with this data is, for example, optimizing your web page title. Let's say, let's read the CTR, for example, 6%, 40, 15%, 1%. This means when I say 1.2% CTR, it means that the title I use or that appears on the Google search result is not attracting clicks. For that, I will first click on the query, or let's analyze the CTR on a page's level. First, delete this filter, go to the pages tab, and now I can read the CTR per page and not per query or per keyword. Now a 5% CTR is good. Now this is a bad title. As you can see, this is when this page show up on Google, only 2.4% clicks on my page. This means I need to improve the title of this page with something more attractive or more click worthy. And this is how to read your Google Search Console. Before you go, I have something special for you. I have 2 free online video courses for you. The first one is about Hostinger hosting and WordPress managing, and the second one shows you how to use Hostinger website builder to make basic websites or online shops. You can get them both for free just by clicking the link in the description. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. If you have any question, leave a comment below.